Today we've got some absolutely massive updates that are reshaping the tech landscape, from Apple's groundbreaking new iPhone Air to Adobe bringing professional video editing to your pocket. Plus, ChatGPT's controversial parental controls and Nigeria making environmental history. Let's dive right in. First up, Apple just concluded their biggest event of 2025, and wow, they didn't hold back. The star of the show, the all-new iPhone Air. Apple announced the first major redesign of the iPhone in years on Tuesday when it confirmed the launch of a new, thinner model called the iPhone Air. CEO Tim Cook called it the biggest leap ever for iPhone. But that's not all. We are also getting the iPhone 17 lineup, Apple Watch Ultra 3 and Series 11 plus AirPods Pro 3, basically a complete ecosystem refresh. The iPhone Air is the real game changer here. We're talking about Apple's thinnest iPhone ever while maintaining premium performance. They will hit store shelves and ship to homes on September 19, so mark your calendars. Speaking of game changers, Adobe just dropped some incredible news for content creators everywhere. Adobe is bringing Premiere, yes, the professional video editing powerhouse, to iPhone. This isn't just another mobile editing app, folks. Adobe promises that the new Premiere app on iPhone will be more like Premiere Pro on Mac and PC. Here's what's absolutely wild: unlimited video, audio, and text layers, frame-accurate trimming, 4K editing, and get this, AI-powered tools right in your pocket. The app launches September 30th and it's completely free to use. Now, Adobe is replacing Premiere Rush with this new app, and while the base app is free, you'll pay for cloud storage and AI credits if you need more advanced features. An Android version is coming later, but iPhone users get first dibs. Now, shifting gears to some serious AI news, OpenAI is rolling out parental controls for ChatGPT. But the backstory is quite concerning. ChatGPT's parent company, OpenAI, says it plans to launch parental controls for its popular AI assistant within the next month, following allegations that it and other chatbots have contributed to self-harm or suicide among teens. So what exactly are these new controls? Parents can disable memory and chat history to reduce unhealthy attachment. Perhaps most importantly, they can receive alerts if the system detects their teen is in a moment of acute distress. OpenAI will route sensitive conversations to reasoning models like GPT-5 and roll out these parental controls within the next month. This highlights the growing responsibility tech companies face as AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives. Finally, let's head to Nigeria, where the government just made environmental history with technology. The federal government of Nigeria has inaugurated a vehicular emissions testing center in Mararaba, Nasarawa State, marking a significant step toward improving air quality through stringent vehicle maintenance and emissions regulation. Nasarawa State has emerged as the pioneer host of Nigeria's first vehicular emissions testing center under the National Clean Air Program. The facility was commissioned in commemoration of the 2025 International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies. Before we wrap up, here's your tech tip of the day. Want to extend your smartphone's battery life? Enable optimized battery charging in your settings. This AI-powered feature lends your charging routine and delays charging past 80% until you need it, significantly reducing battery aging. Most modern phones have this. iPhone users find it in settings when you go to battery and then battery health and charging, while Android users can look for it in adaptive charging in their battery settings. This simple trick can add months to your battery's lifespan. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Roundup. From Apple's revolutionary iPhone Air to OpenAI's safety measures and Nigeria's environmental tech leadership, technology continues to evolve at breakneck speed. Which story caught your attention the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if it kept you informed. Subscribe for daily tech updates and hit that notification bell so you can never miss breaking tech news, and I'll catch you in the next one.